Well, first off, guys, I have to say thank you so much. 80 subscribers, that's fantastic. I'm really sorry that there haven't been as many videos coming out. I've had a lot of things that I've been doing. One of these, for example, is this GAZ 51A, which is by Military Models, and it has been an absolute nightmare to build. As you can see, I've had some major issues with the cab itself because it's quite an old kit, so there's a lot of flash. Had to do a lot of basically using this amazing Vallejo putty to fix all these issues with like the inside of the glass. Never give up. Always try and find a way to push through and make it work. As you can see, this whole thing looks a bit warped. It's a pretty cool kit, but unfortunately, it's just been very challenging. So I've had some great tools, Revell snippers, which I've managed to get hold of, which have been fantastic. So that's really good. I was also on holiday just for a short break, and work has also been quite busy. But I thought I'd just give you a quick update on the channel. I've bought loads of material, loads of new stuff, which is going to be coming out as well. New videos that I've got in the pipeline. A lot of kit reviews as well to go through. Let me show you just to give you an idea. This is pretty much what I've got at the moment in terms of kits. I mean, there is so much here, and I have seen some of your comments as well. What I want to start is kind of like a pool to see who, which kit you would want me to do next. All of these have been reviewed apart from some of these new ones. Some of these are so good that I bought another model exactly the same. So for example, the Masters, the Mr. Hobbies, the Mr. Hobby Kits Craft. I mean, these guys are amazing. The mold is really quite interesting as well. Very unexpected. Again, some more of them underneath. Some really unusual rare kits that really took a lot of time to get hold of. Some really exciting ones to show you. So, for example, things like this Hasegawa aircraft weapons loading set with the tractors and the heavy lift loaders, and I've got a 105mm howitzer and other vehicles as well that I've just been kind of building up slowly. So all of these need to be sprayed. I'll be doing videos as well, adding, as I go along. I think what I'll do is one massive build video for each vehicle, just to explain what's happening. Again, my little test diorama as well. The paddy field is coming along. I haven't had time to really work on it because of work at the time, but it's starting to really take shape. I've also been doing some other things as well, getting hold of some materials, trying out some new and exciting kits that I've found. So, for example, I've got a maintenance crew here for ground crew. Again, from Production Miniatures, because I was so impressed with the pilots that I had. So some great kits there that I'm looking forward to reviewing. I've got things like this, which is a Matterson, kind of like a helipad. It's the kind of thing they use to build runways in the middle of nowhere. So this is a laser photo etch, well, kind of like a laser cut piece of wood. So, and I've also got this nice little diorama base as well. Underneath that, we've got some really fantastic. I can't believe that they actually came out with the Vietnam decals that I was hoping for. Star decals really went crazy, and they've kind of made me go insane because I can't believe they've actually come out with the one thing that I needed for doing the Vietnam project. So that's fantastic. So that's for T-54s, and then I've got the other set as well, which we'll be reviewing, which is the general vehicles. Again, really good looking clear decals there, especially rare as well. So you got to get your hands on one of those before they go, because they have been going like hotcakes. And also other things as well. So I've got for my Shawnee, I've got some special decals as well. So there's a lot going on, and here's the materials that I was talking about. Got myself a turntable, which is fantastic. So this will be like, able to kind of show off my kits as they, spin around. I got some rare stuff that has arrived as well. This is from the 1960s. Yep, it is exactly what you think it is. It's a Cessna Bird Dog, and it's an original Airfix from the 1960s. And it's, I mean, it's a gem. I got it from France. I couldn't believe that there was a guy who was selling this, and all in the original parts as well, with the figures and also the plane. It's really nicely intact. The molds look good. You know, it's a classic Airfix kit, and I can't wait to build this up. You know, so there's a lot that's kind of there material wise. So thank you for bearing with me, guys. Like I said, there's a lot of materials. I bought lots of styrene sheet. I've got some, you can't really see it on camera, but this is actually mesh for fencing. Underneath I've got more mesh, and I've also got some corrugated metal as well, which you can't really see clearly. There you go on the camera. That's all in scale. So I'll be doing a Vietnam fire base. I'll be also working on Ho Chi Minh Trail. I've actually been also doing some clever experimentation with mold making. So I've actually been creating some really nice silicon molds just with in the materials that I've got available. So that's kind of creating all of this kind of stuff here that you see. So an absolute almost identical copy that you can see there, which is really nice. You know, Das clay as well, working with this. Actually trying to test it out with these molds, which have actually been quite effective. And you know, I built some new kits as well. I've got a Sheridan there, I've got a T54, and I've got a BTR, and you know, you can see here all of the cast pieces that I've kind of added, and also some Black Dog equipment there as well. So there is a lot of material, and I need your help. If you know a good editing software or any sort of like shortcuts to kind of getting the videos up, I'm starting to now film in 4K because or a much higher quality as more than I used to. So some of the old videos I might upload will be there. So do kind of bear with me when it comes to the actual quality of the video. But I'm just kind of experimenting as well, as you've seen with my last two videos with the Jeep and also with the Sheridan. I've just been kind of experimenting with whether to use my voice or do voiceovers if I need to get a microphone. So there's a lot of, you know, things that I've got to work with, and I'll be starting to put out more content soon. As you can tell by my voice as well, I'm not doing too great. So I'm just kind of trying to basically hone and kind of put everything together now and start putting out some new content. But thank you again, guys, for getting me to 80 subscribers. It's much appreciated. I'm always around for a chat. Just pop up, send me a message, and don't forget to check out my Instagram, which is the Artificer Channel, where I'll be uploading more and more kind of behind the scenes stuff, and able to answer any of your questions. But in the meantime, cheers, guys. Keep building, and don't forget to keep snipping those sprues.